Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, onto settings, onto Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Now, if I click on phone, it's got add or cancel. There's no phones paired at the moment, so it's allowing me to add one. Click add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So that's a bit loud. So sync's come up there, so we select sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
320489 pair, so yes it does, and we just click, you've got yes there and no there, so yes it matches. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Sync connected, so it's showing, and then
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Download phone book, I don't want to do that because I won't be using this again. That's it, that's how you do it.